Greetings, Internet Guardians. In today's digital age, our social media accounts are more than just personal profiles. They're windows to our lives. Join me as we explore the crucial topic of securing your social media accounts. Let's ensure your online presence remains yours and yours alone. Understanding the risks. First things first, let's discuss the risks associated with social media. From identity theft to unauthorized access, the threats are real. Understanding these risks is the first step towards fortifying your online defenses. Setting strong passwords. Now, let's talk about the cornerstone of your account's security: passwords. I'll guide you through the art of crafting strong, unique passwords for each platform. Trust me, it's a small effort that goes a long way in keeping your accounts safe. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, in this segment. We'll explore the power of an extra layer of protection, two-factor authentication, 2FA. I'll show you how easy it is to set up and how it acts as a digital bodyguard for your accounts. Privacy. Settings deep dive. Social media platforms offer an array of privacy settings. Knowing how to navigate and customize these settings is crucial. I'll break down the essentials, ensuring you have the right balance between sharing and safeguarding your information. Regular security checkups. Just like your car needs regular checkups, so do your social media accounts. I'll share a quick routine for you to follow, ensuring your accounts stay resilient against evolving cyber threats. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey into securing your social media accounts, remember, a little effort today can save you from potential headaches tomorrow. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Until next time, take care.